Nature. It was always there for me. When life got too stressful, got complex, I found comfort in the deep blue sea, the redwood trees, the life that breathes in nature. It was so much more to me. The more I got lost, the more I found. Ideas crashed into my mind like waves on the shore. The beauty shook me to my core, a feeling like never before. I crouched on the highest peak and I looked. I just looked out and I finally understood everything. I saw things clearer. The world was just beautiful. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong, our fear of doing wrong, our fear of being who we are. We all are humans, boundless creativity, and the key to unlock it all is by going out, exploring, getting lost in nature. The ebb and flow of ideas will fly, and soon you will realize that nature sparks creativity.